Hi guys, Steph here. Right, let's show you a pen haul. Now, this pen haul is, I've dated it August 24 because I think I did 2 long and early start pen hunts in August. And then I did another one, I think it was this weekend, which was also a 3-hour drive, early start, etc. So what I've done, I've sort of accumulated them, and I've, it's time that I showed them to you. So without further ado, as always, a lot of these. There's some good, there's some bad, there's some parts pens. A lot of them, are available, subject to restoration. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's go to the top here. There we go. What we got here? There we go. A nice Conway Stewart in nice classic black. Not too sure of the model. So there we go. Let's go down to the bottom here. What we've got here is a nice silver pencil. There you go. There's the hallmarks for you. So I know there's people out there that like pencils. If that's you, you know what to do. Get in touch. A Parker. Can we guess what it is? Yes, it's a Parker 51. As I said before, I pick a lot of Parker 51s up, so I've got lots available. We've got another 2 Parkers here. If I just take it out of the box for you and show you very briefly. These are rather modern, but to be honest with you, I quite like the colour. It was the colour that attracted to me. I think this is a Parker Urban fountain pen with a steel nib, as you can see there. I'm assuming that they're a cartridge converter. Lovely little pen. Obviously metal, but this lovely green colour. Let's again try and pop them out of the way. There's another one, exactly the same, an Urban, but it's a rollerball pen. Anybody looking for a Parker Urban rollerball, get in touch. Right, is this another one? Yes, it's a Parker 51. Right, but this is the later version, the Mark, I don't know, is it the Mark 3 or 4, whichever it is. There you go, needs a little bit of a clean. It hasn't got the black button to the end there, but still a nice pen. I'm actually looking, when I find these Parker 51s, I tend to sort of see if they're actually in good condition. Right, here we go. Here's a nice little set. This is one of the Sheaffer Imperial models. Is it the Mark II or the Mark III? You can see it's got the gold Triumph nib there, the short clip. Very nice indeed. As you can see, comes with a fountain pen, a ballpoint, and a pencil in the original box. Put that to one side. We've got another Parker for you here. Let's open it up. Look at that. A lovely Parker Duofold International with a gorgeous 18 karat gold nib. Okay, with a converter inside. Lovely condition. We'll just give it a little bit of a polish. A lovely, lovely pen. Okay, let's bring on some more for you here. What we got here? Got them all piled up, so let's just get stuck in. So we've got a Sheaffer. There we go. Lovely Sheaffer Tiger in this lovely sort of barleycorn pattern with a lovely inlaid nib. This is actually in lovely condition. The pattern is still nice pronounced to the touch. What we got here, again, something in the original box. Oh, look at that. We've got a nice Swan fountain pen and fine point pencil. Okay. Okay, there we go. Is it a number 2 nib? It's actually in nice condition. Okay, we just service that, and that'll be a nice pen for somebody. I don't know what this is. Let's open it up. Oh, 2 Parker pens. It looks like a Parker. Is it a Parker Junior? And is this one, is it a lady pen? Yeah, Parker 17 lady pen. Let's put that to one side. That one's just an empty box. The boxes come in handy. Some of you will recognise this this box here if I open it up. And inside, there we go, is a Lamy fountain pen. Look at that, in this sort of black colour. Let's just show you that. Hopefully you can read that better than I can. It'll tell you which one it is. So we've even got the modern Lamy pens. Again, let's reach over here. Let's see what we've got for you here. Now, another box here. What have we got in here? I'm not too sure what this one is. It's actually, as you can see, sort of a wood grain finish. It's got a warranted gold nib. So yeah, that'll become a nice pen once we've serviced it. It comes with a pencil. Not too sure if it's the correct one, but yes, an interesting pen and pencil. Now, some of you will recognise this. I've shown you lots of these. We've got a yard of lead. Is it a ballpoint? Or is it a pencil? Not too sure. Just needs a little bit of looking at. And again, I think these are, is it silver? Yep, there we go. There's the silver hallmarks in lovely condition. I know there's people out there that collect these yard of leads. So, as always, if it's of interest, get in touch. Look at this one here. I actually bought this just quite simply for the box. I thought the box is actually quite interesting. The Royal Lever fountain pen. And there's the pen inside. A little bit of pitting on the clip there. I think it's got a warranted nib. But yeah, interesting pen. As I said, you know, I bought it quite simply because I thought the box was quite interesting. Put that to one side. There we go. Does what it says on the box. Conway Stewart. Which one is it? Ah, look at this. Okay, a lovely green hatched patterned fountain pen. Correct Conway Stewart nib. Which particular model is it? It's a 27. So Conway Stewart 27. Very sought after, very popular. That one won't be around for long, I'm sure. What we got here? Okay, again, another one I just picked up. I think this is what they term, it's a Senator fountain pen, I believe, made in Germany. Inkview Inkview window. So yeah, a piston fill fountain pen. Nice condition. Doesn't look very, well, doesn't look too special, but an interesting pen. What's in here? Let's undo this. A little pouch. And what we've got is a nice burgundy. This looks to be like, it's quite a big pen. So, if I'm right, Parker Duofold. It's a Parker Duofold. But there we go. There's the nib. Does it say 35? If so, it's a lovely Parker Senior. Okay, at the time, the largest pen within the Parker Duofold range. And then once it was discontinued, they brought out the Maxima. What's this one? Cross, in its own little pouch. There you go, this sort of black lacquered effect. It's got a lovely little nib on it, look at that. Very nice indeed. A very nice pen. And as I've said lots of times, very much underrated pens, these cross pens. Let's pop that to one side. We've got a Waterman. Not particularly sure which one it is. Again, quite modern, sort of well, it's a lacquered pen. I think this one's actually got a nice gold nib, if I remember correctly. So once cleaned up, just a little bit of a service. Once again, a very, very nice pen. Let's bring some others across here. There's the Watermans there. Let's bring these over. Okay, to the very top there. Yes, Parker 25. There we go. Nice condition. A Parker 25 Flighter. So anybody looking for a Parker 25, get in touch. We've got a Parker box here. Oh, there we go again. We've got a Parker 51. You can see the clips missing with a pencil. But either way, without, we'll try and find a clip for it. That'll make a nice set. Yet again, another Parker. Okay, that's just a Parker 45. Yeah, I've got a few of these. Anybody interested? Anybody looking for a Parker 45? You know what to do. Ah, right, this one's a nice pen as well. So we've got a Parker 25 black. The black colour ones are less common than some of the just simple Flighter pens in the original box. Anybody looking for a black one for their collection, get in touch. All right, what we got here? We've got another Parker, looks like a Duofold. We've got a pencil, another Parker, looks like a 45, yes. And last but not least, little Sheaffer with an inlaid nib. Again, looks to be like one of the Imperials. It looks like a touchdown as well. Not sure exactly which model, but oops, let's pop them back. And last but not least, what we got here? Alright, a couple of Sheaffer pens. We've got a ballpoint, is it? This is a Slim Tiger in this lovely pattern. And then if we look at these, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's in this it's like a tree bark effect. This lovely textured. And once again, it's one of the Sheaffer Imperials. Once again, I'm not sure, is it the Mark II, Mark III, whatever. And there's the the ballpoint pen is working. Lovely condition, very nice indeed. So I'm sure there'll be somebody that's looking for a nice Imperial. And we're going to leave it at that. That's basically it as far as the box pens are concerned. As always, most of them are available. Anybody of interest, you know what to do. Get in touch down below there. Leave a comment as well. Don't be shy. Subscribe to the channel. And, well, I'm just going to say Slavo Kriini from me and all these lovely pens. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.